What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome to another video. On this week's upload we've got this insane Ford Ranger Raptor all the way from Joburg, actually very good friend and client of ours. We are super stoked to show you guys this Raptor. Okay, so let's start off with the major improvement we've done with this Raptor. So we're gonna go down here to these insane 20-inch wheels that we've fitted to this Raptor. Original size 17-inch, we've upgraded them to a 20. We've done a little custom touch for our client, and yeah, it's got his initials on the wheels. Just a little bit of extra that we added in for him. So this is a long-standing client of ours, and he sees things exactly the same way we do. And this was a brand new vehicle he purchased. It was actually his first brand new vehicle he purchased, which was a big special moment for him and for us, just to see him grow like this. We're extremely happy for you, and he listens to what we have to offer him. So we've also done a full frontal paint protection film on this Raptor, and that's covering full fenders, full bonnet, headlamps, front bumper, as well as these door mirrors and your A-pillars. So yeah, we sell these kits as we prefer. This is for all high impact areas on most vehicles, and this is what he went for. It offers the self-healing, anti-yellowing, anti-staining, extreme gloss, and yeah, it's doing its thing on this Raptor. We've also done a multi-stage paint correction. We know this was a new vehicle, but new vehicles, as you'll see in the videos we have to show you guys, new vehicles need some love as well, and we've done a multi-stage paint correction. We've done a ceramic coating on all uncovered TPF areas, and yeah, that's the exterior body, completely covered, protected, secured, the whole 9 yards. And that's a wrap up on this one, guys. We really do hope you enjoyed it. A massive congratulations to our client, and we were really glad to show you this absolute beast of a Ford Ranger Raptor. And yeah, until the next one, stay blessed and keep hustling.